Hey there! Welcome to our channel. It's grammar time. Today we are going to learn about infinitives. They might sound complicated, but they're actually pretty simple. An infinitive is the base form of a verb. It's like the verb's starting point. To make it even clearer, we usually put the word to before an infinitive. Now you know the basics. Remember, the infinitive is just the simple form of a verb with to in front of it. For example, to eat, to sleep, to play are all infinitives. These forms are incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts. They tell us the action but not when it happened or who's doing it. This makes them unique because they are not bound by tense or subject. We use infinitives all the time in English, whether we're making plans, expressing desires, or giving instructions. Infinitives are there. You probably use them without even realizing it. For instance, when you say, "I want to learn guitar," or "she needs to go to the doctor," you're using infinitives. Infinitives can act as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs, making them incredibly flexible. Let's look at some examples to see how they work in real life. Imagine you want to describe your weekend plans. You might say, "I plan to visit my grandparents," or "we hope to go hiking." In both cases, the infinitive helps convey your intentions clearly. Now let's see more examples. She decided to study abroad next year. This decision opens up a world of opportunities and experiences. The infinitive to study explains her plan and ambition, highlighting her commitment to learning and personal growth. They need to finish homework before playing. This shows the importance of prioritizing tasks. The infinitive to finish highlights the necessity of completing one activity before moving on to another. It's important to listen to your parents. Listening is a crucial skill that helps us understand and learn from others. The infinitive to listen emphasizes the value of paying attention and being receptive to guidance. My dream is to travel the world. Traveling broadens our horizons and enriches our lives with new experiences. The infinitive to travel captures the essence of this dream and the desire for adventure. See how easy it is to spot infinitives? They always start with to and are followed by the simple form of the verb. Now that you have learned so much, are you ready for a quiz? Find the infinitives in the following sentences. He promised to cook dinner. Can you spot the infinitive here? We love to watch movies on Friday nights. Think about the action we love to do. She wants to teach me tennis. Focus on what she desires to do. They need to buy groceries for the party. Got your answers ready? Post your answers in the comments and I'll tell you how you did.
If you enjoyed this grammar adventure, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting language lessons.